Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you about HTML tables. Tables is also very important concept in HTML. You can create good tables in HTML by learning about tables code. So in today's video our focus is on tables, so let's get started. So guys, if you are new on this channel and new on this videos, I tell you that we started a new course called HTML course for beginners, and after this course we are moving towards proper web development course. So stay tuned if you want to learn web development. So if you are new, so you can also go to my channel Iron Tech on YouTube, and also follow my Facebook page, which name is also Iron Tech, and you can go to playlist section and access the playlist of HTML course for beginners. We uploaded different videos on HTML there. So let's get started. I opened the Visual Studio Code, which is the best code editor in my opinion, and here I created a new file, name HTML tables .html. So what are the tables in HTML? Let's get started. There are four main tags to create HTML table. The first tag is table. So this is the table tag. The next tag is th, which means table headings. So th for table headings. I copy them 3 times, but before this I enclose this table heading tag in tr. This is called table row. Basically tables are performed in rows and columns, so that's why this is the row in which these table headings are located. So here I write name, class, school. This is basically a student table. After that I again open tr, means table row, again create a new row, and in which I put columns. So this is the table heading, and now I put table columns, which is represented by td, which means table data. So I write here td. This is the first column in which I write name John, his class is 3, and his school is FG. This is dummy data. So I again copy this, but first of all we will save this and let's see what is happening in the browser. So I go there, HTML practice folder, and here I click on this HTML tables, and you can see this is a table, name, class, school, and this. After that I again copy this, Control C, Control V, and Control V, and change the data like this: Eva, name and class 6, school name is SJ. After that Ronnie, class 2, school AJ. This is a dummy just to show a table. Control S, and let's see, the table is created. So the more data you add, the table will extend it. Like I enter 3 or 4 more. Control S. I don't change names, data, but just to show you. That's the table. So we can also add more like properties in table, but I think for beginners that's it. So that's it for today. In future classes we will talk more about tables and its properties. When we study CSS, then we will combine HTML and CSS and make new things attractive, because CSS adds style in HTML. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn. After that, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.